What's up guys, it is I, the Apple Buyer, here today back with a brand new video for you all, and this might be one of the very coolest things I've ever gotten on this channel. Going back to the roots of my channel has always been collecting iOS devices, and usually it's the rare ones. The non-rare ones are, you know, just as good too, but this one is, in my opinion, a pretty big unicorn device. It is an iPod Touch 5th generation, but it is not just any 5th generation. It is a 5th gen on iOS 6. I have not pulled it out of the box yet. So I opened the box, but that was it. I had to show this to you guys in person though, on video of course. But here she is, all nice and pretty and bubble wrapped. This is actually a pretty easy unboxing. Most of the time these boxes and packaging are not as friendly. But if you can't already tell, this is a brand spanking new iPod Touch 5th generation. Never been opened, still the sticker. And if you're wondering, this cost me just below $150 US. Now, to those of you that don't know me personally, I have been trying to hunt one of these down since basically 2013, 2014. And it was pretty easy to hunt these down back then, but I was a kid back then and I couldn't afford these. So it's really nice being able to get one of these now for still technically less than what they MSRP'd for originally. I have my own 5th gen that was actually my very first Apple device I ever got. It's in storage right now, so I can't even show it to you right now, but it did ship with iOS 6, and I used it on iOS 6 back in the day, but back then that was before I was into iOS collecting, and I didn't know that I should have kept it on iOS 6, so I updated it to iOS 7 when the day it came out, and I have regret that day ever since, and I wanted to downgrade back to it, but by that point when I wanted to, it was too late. They stopped signing 6.1.3, so here we are. I don't like jibber jabbering my videos. I know I say that a lot and then I wind up jibber jabbering, but this device here has a lot of history behind it for me. If it weren't for this specific device, my channel would not exist, because if I didn't get this for Christmas with iOS 6, and if I didn't update my iPod Touch, which I did anyway, if I wouldn't have done any of that, I would never have decided to try to buy older devices and try to experience what older iOS was. And without collecting those devices, I wouldn't have seen other people do it on YouTube. And without those other people, I would have never started trying to make videos. So this right here is a very nostalgic device. And I know I say this a lot with other things, but I'm gonna feel really guilty opening this. So with this all being said, I truly am going to be stealing this device's virginity. It has never been opened ever by any person other than me since 2012, which is almost 10 years ago. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, so we will go ahead and peel this off. Let's see. Man, this stuff is sticky, guys. Seriously. Okay. And then I'm pretty sure this just flips on out. Yep, open like that. And then here is the piddly pod. We're going to put that right there. And then here are the accessories. And then you got the headphones, the charger, and the loop, which I will not touch. I remember back in the day, after I updated to iOS 7. I would just fantasize and look at this quick start guide and wish that I never updated my iPod and wish that it had this look. I remember those days, so kind of fun to look at those. Here's the piddly pod though. So it was always weird opening this stupid thing. I think you there's a way to get it off. Gotta be, well, I guess the first thing is to peel this off, so guess we'll do that. Peel that sticker off right here. Oh, this hurts. Oh man. And then I'm pretty sure this back piece, yep, there it goes. Oh yeah, dude, she is minty. Wow. I'm shaking a little bit here. Now let's see if it holds a charge after almost 10 years, 9 years if you will. Okay, no surprise. Hopefully it works. Hopefully the battery didn't fail in it. All right, here we go. You can see it's pretty minty there too. She does work, and it is iOS 6. Very nice. I am going to let this bad boy charge for a little bit. I will be right back. This video is sponsored by Pepsi. JK, I wish it were, but Pepsi is very good. So I will leave it there, and maybe Pepsi will see this video and they will sponsor me and give me money to buy more Apple devices. So as you can see, it works great. I haven't unplugged it yet, but it's been charging for a couple minutes. Someone called me, so I let it charge while I was on the phone with them. Obviously it runs iOS 6. We're going to unplug it right now, see if it holds its charge. It does, so it does work fine. That's good. We will slide. Oh, did you guys hear that? Here, listen. You know it's iOS 6 when you hear that sound. So we're going to set this up. I will do this really quick. By the way, shout out to my best friend Liam, Revac Tech. He is the one that hooked me up with finding this iPod. We're going to skip for now. If it weren't for him, he would not have shown me this listing. And here we are. Damn, man. Oh my God, this brings me back. And if it weren't for him, I would not have bought this. So go subscribe to him. Him and I both have kind of had a YouTube hiatus for a while, but I know he uploads every now and then, just like me, basically. All right, Russian roulette. I'm going to say this is 6.1.2. Are you guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, wow. Oh my God, 6.0.1. I don't know if these devices shipped with 6.0. I kind of doubt it though, but damn, this is as bone stock and as original as it gets. So, very cool. This thing's a time capsule. Look at my ugly beard. Anyway though, by the way, I never told you guys, but I do have a 13 Pro Max. I need to show that to you guys at some point. But yeah, here it is. It's brand new. It's minty. It works. 6.0.1. It's mine. I don't really plan to ever use this. This thing's too much of a unicorn to actually use. But it is a welcome addition to my family of devices, and I will keep it for forever until the day I die. I'll be honest with you guys, I feel guilty as sin opening this device, so I'm already packaging it back up. And I am putting everything away like I never opened it, even though I did. So I love this device though, but I don't know how often I'll use it. It is technically open, which is fine. I needed to show it to you guys that it exists. But this thing is a time capsule and I do not want to use it. I want to keep it fresh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see any specific videos with this device. Maybe I'll pull it out of its shell for those suggestions, but beyond that, this is a display piece. So thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you soon, and peace.